Hey guys, it's Vicki Kidder, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I have a huge haul. It's the Snow White stuff and the new Mandalorian warmer and all the Star Wars and Mandalorian stuff. And I'm super duper excited to share it with you. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So I'm so excited to unbox this stuff. I have Snow White, The Mandalorian, and Star Wars, and I'm super duper excited. And so I'm about to share it with you. I think I'm gonna open Snow White first. Now, I did get 2 of the warmers. I got one for myself, and then I also got one for that, that guy, he's like 30. He has autism and he loves Disney, but his most favorite thing ever is Snow White. So I just had to get it for him. He loves Snow White so much. So I'm excited to send it to him. So I got one for him and one for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and I'm so excited to see her. So it says, I'm wishing. That's what the box says. Super cute. I love this because she's at the wishing well. You guys, every time you buy a Disney warmer, they always come with these beautiful, like, it's like cardstock, but it's glossy. It's really pretty. You could actually frame it. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to put that to the side. I have my scissors here. And you guys, I just had surgery yesterday, knee surgery yesterday. So, and I'm medicated, so I'm a little off. So if I ramble, I'm really sorry, but I'm highly medicated. All right, so let's go ahead and open her up. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to show you the dish first. We're going to go ahead and put this to the side. And so that is the dish. It looks like the wishing well. Okay. Oh, she's so pretty. I cannot wait. Eek. All right, so here we go. Let's put that away. Take this off. All right, so here we go. Super cute. You see her with the little birdie on her fingers, on her hand. So stinking pretty. Look at the animals. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so pretty. And then the rope is like real rope. They have it tied up in there. So stinking cute. I love it. I love it. So this is the back. Let me go ahead and turn it for you guys. This is the back, and this is where the dish goes. Absolutely gorgeous. She's an element warmer, and she's just beautiful. She is just beautiful. I love her. Okay, so that is the warmer. I also have the scent. I bought a ton of the scent. I'm going to send him quite a bit. Let's see. I think I ordered 2 6-packs. I think I ordered, maybe I just ordered, let's see, there might be more. Is there more? I don't feel it. Okay, so I just ordered 1 6-pack. Dakota, knock it off. So here is the bar. So beautiful. Dakota, hush. Absolutely beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and open her up and take a little sniff. Oh, that's lovely. That's lovely. To me, it's floral. to get it out of there. I want to smell the whole bar. That's nice. That's really nice. And it's called Snow White Kind Heart. And they say, cherish the pure beauty of lily of the valley, smooth vanilla, and a bite of lush apple, while an undertone of sandalwood sweeps you off your feet. It is a beautiful scent. This might, yeah, this is going to go in my Scentsy Club. This is a good bedroom scent for me. Wow. That's beautiful. I really like it. So Snow White Kind Heart. So I got 6 of those. Definitely going to go in my club. All right. So I got 2 of the warmers. Okay. So now we're going to open up. We have the Mandalorian, the child, and he is sold out. Snow White is still available, you guys. Snow White is still available, but I got the child wall fan diffuser. So let's go ahead and open them up. Super cute. Super duper cute. Oh my gosh, his ears are so stinking adorable. Oh my gosh, he is adorable. All right, so let's put that. I have a lot to clean up after. Let's put this to the side. I want to make sure I can put it back the way I got it. Because you guys know, if you've been following me, you know that I'm basically shopping for grandkids that I don't have yet. But it's wishful thinking. My daughter's 23 and I'm ready. I don't know if she is, but I am. So look at how cute he is. And then to turn him on, you just turn it on right there. So stinking cute. Now, how does this work? Okay, so you take him off. You have this little base right here. And see, there's a fan. So when you turn it on, that fan starts spinning and it pushes the scent from these pods up through. And the pods are still available. They're the Mandalorian Air of Adventure. And I'm going to read you the scent description of that in just a minute. So let's go to collections and we're going to go to licensed, Star Wars, and the Mandalorian. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, so Air of Adventure, silver mint like Mandalorian armor, surrounds crisp bergamot and earthy sweet geranium, while a touch of eucalyptus and a bright orange zest hint at the adventure ahead. I don't get it. But basically, mint, bergamot, geranium, eucalyptus, and orange zest. I love it. It smells really good. So what you do is you take these pods. Each pod is 120 hours worth of scent. And you put it in here. You don't have to use both at once, but I usually do because I like a lot of scents. I've already got cat hair on it because it's just everywhere in my house. So it's like this. And you can mix and match scents as well. So you just stick it on there. Like so, like that. And there he is. How stinking cute. But we do have a ton of other licensed product wall fan diffusers, as well as just regular ones for like everyday use. But how cute is he? So stinking cute. Adorable. All right. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to start opening up the buddies. Oh my God, I'm so excited. You guys, when these originally released, I didn't have money to buy them. So I was so excited because now they're only 15 bucks. They were like originally like 40 or 45. Now they're $15. So this is Darth. Hold on, let's find the front. There we go. Darth Vader. I'm the biggest Star Wars fan. I love Star Wars. So let's go ahead and open him up. He's super soft. Oh my gosh, he's adorable. Look at his cape. And it's like flowy. I love that because you know when he walks in, he's always like flowy. Oh my gosh, he is so stinking cute. What a great gift, you guys. $15. You can't get something like this at Target or Wally for $15. Look at how cute he is. And he's super soft. And he comes with a Dark Side of the Force scent pack. So what you do is you open up in his back. I'm not going to open this yet because I don't want to use up the scent. These are good for 3 months. But what you do is you unzip him and you stick the scent pack right inside and then zip it back up. And then he's a scented plush. How cute. Only $15. Oh my gosh, super cute. So I love that. Love, love, love. Okay. The next thing, we're not going to open that one yet because that's with the Mandalorian. Okay, the next one I'm going to open is Princess Leia. Princess Leia, and she comes with, of course, the light side of the Force scent pack. And I'll read you the scent descriptions in just a minute. Actually, let's do the dark side first because I just did Darth Vader. So the dark side of the Force. Feel the power of this fully armed and operational fragrance, churning with lavender, Madagascar ginger, vetiver, and agarwood. I don't know what that is, but it's in there. The light side of the Force, it says, feel the Force all around you. It's here, there, in the orange groves, morning mist, and even in the driftwood at the ocean's edge. So that's what this one smells like. But again, hi, Cassandra. Again, it's only $15 and you get the scent pack and the buddy. I love Princess Leia. She's so stinking cute. Oh my God, she's cute. She is so cute. Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope. Okay, and her scent pack goes in her back. Same as the Darth Vader one. She is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love her. I love her. She's so pretty and soft. $15. Isn't she cute? I know, isn't she nice? I love her, Cassandra. Oh my gosh. Cassie, are we going to be Zooming later or what? I know there's work at Wednesday. Anyways, super cute. So now I'm going to open, okay, this is only available in a bundle with the warmer, okay? For $60, you get the buddy and the warmer from the Mandalorian. Oh my gosh, you guys. You can't beat that deal with a stick. So there's Mando. He comes with the Air of Adventure, which is the same scent as the pods that I read about earlier. So cute, right? Mandalorian. Oh my God. He's so cute. Oh my gosh. So adorable. I'm really excited about this one. Oh, he is so stinking cool, man. He's so stinking cool. He's got his, oh, that's where his scent pack goes. In his jet pack. Because you know he's got a rocket, right? That's how he gets around. He's like, shh. Anyway. How stinking cool is that? I'm sorry, but that's pretty amazing. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my gosh. These are so soft too. So soft. So I love him as well. But now, this is the new product. These have been available. And like I said, the Mando Buddy is only available in a bundle with the warmer, but the whole bundle is $60. That's amazing. That's amazing. All right, so we are going to open up. I'm so stinking excited. The Mandalorian warmer. I'm so excited. Welcome everyone that's coming in. All right. Okay, here we go. So we got the lid is part of his helmet. Let's put that to the side. I got so much stuff here. I don't want to break anything. I'm going to have to put this back in the box. All right, let's open him up. Oh my gosh, I am so stinking excited. All right. All right. So he is coming with a, what size bulb is this? Let's open it up. And you know, you can always change the color of the bulbs. We have red, we have green, we have blue, we have purple, and we also have orange. I think that's all of them. But this is a 20 watt bulb. So he comes with a 20 watt bulb. And this one is one of the ones where you put the bulb in this, and then this is gonna go over the top of it. So let's go ahead and plug this in. You guys, I feel so out of it with all this medicine they gave me for my surgery. I feel so out of it. I don't like this feeling. I'm like trying to stay focused. All right. So, oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh, how cool. Let's put the lid on. So look at what's in the dish. How stinking cool is that? And let's look all the way around. So this is where the light's gonna shine through in the back. Absolutely beautiful. And it's supposed to look banged up, you know, like he's been in brawls. So let's go ahead and put this on so you can see. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. I was at Walt Disney World with Scentsy, and Caitlin and I, we were in where all the stores are, over by in the Galaxy's Edge section, and we saw, it was just like a helmet. It was just one of these, but it was just sitting there, and we're like, that would be the coolest Scentsy warmer. And how am I feeling? Oh my gosh. I'm feeling better today, you guys. Yesterday, I was in a ton of pain. And do you know that today I'm walking around without my walker, just with a cane. So super excited about that. But you guys, this is super cute. So let me go ahead, and this is always very difficult to hold the light under it and not drop it. Hold on. You know what? Maybe I'll put it on a box. I'll put it on a box. All right, hold on. It's really hard to hold it. Okay, he's already plugged in. All right, you guys can see, yeah, you can see good. Okay, so here we go. Let me find the switch, 1, 2, and 3. So he is lit from the back, okay? So those lines will be on your wall or whatever's behind him. But that is a really cool warmer. How cool. I love this for a gift. So like I said, the bundle is both the buddy and the warmer. Cool. Love it. Love it, love it. So that's everything, you guys. If you missed the beginning, go back and watch. And for my YouTube friends, thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to drop all the links in the description of the video. And that's that, you guys. I'm so excited. Let me know if anybody wants any of this stuff. It's still available. The only thing that is not available is the child wall fan diffuser. But everything else is available. So let's get our Christmas gifts going. Let me help you cross people off the list. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.